Timing is everything. And timing is especially important if you're a content creator. Whether you create long form or short form media content, blogs, news articles, or podcasts, how you respond and engage with trending topics can make all the difference in growing your reach. Now, you can stay ahead of the moment by integrating trending topics into your content with the newly improved Google Trends tool. Just look at the new Trending Now page. You can see what people are searching for, and at least for me, find some good topics to talk about with your coworkers during lunch. Hey Brian, did you see that new jackpot winner? I'll work on that. And there's so much more revampedness. Yes, that's a word. Here's just some of the new features. Faster trend detection, so when something is about to drop, you're right there to catch it. With trend detection, you're quickly able to identify emerging trends, allowing you to produce timely content and respond in near real time. Expanded coverage. It's all about location, location, location. The revamped Google Trends expanded coverage allows you to see what's trending with your audience on a global and local level, helping you make more location-specific content to connect with your target audience. Stronger insights. Getting metaphorical here, but every trend is like a tree. Of each topic, there are subtopics. Those are the branches. And when you look at a trend, specifically in the Trending Now section, notice how it often comes with a cluster of related searches and news articles. That trends cluster is like the leaves of each branch, showing you what else people are immediately interested around that topic. And to continue with this amazing tree metaphor, the news articles are like the sunlight and water, giving you the immediate context for its growth. Trend breakdown. This tool helps creators find potential subtopics that can give them new angles to their content. With more customizable filters, creators can have stronger insights into trends that are peaking, have peaked, or are about to emerge. Now let's try a little roleplay here. Let's imagine we're Chicago's coolest influencer. We talk about the latest happening events, hot new restaurants, and hidden gems in the Windy City. But we're having one of those days where we have no idea what to make today. But wait, there's Google Trends, so we head over to the Trending Now page and type in location to Chicago. See how specific and quickly the trends are updating? Plus, you can easily see what's active and how long the trend has been trending. Seems like a lot of these topics revolve around sports. I mean, it is Chicago after all. This gives us the idea to make a video that shares the best places to watch the game. And now our we have no idea what to make today day is a we have an idea of what to make today day. All thanks to Google Trends. Now let's take on a new persona. We're a YouTuber with a popular gaming channel. Our audience comes to us for our takes and reactions to everything that's happening in the gaming world. We aim to post a weekly 30-minute video recapping everything that's happened that week. So we decided to use Google Trends. The new categories feature quickly gives all the trending news about the video games and weekly summary of the trends that come out that week. Through insights, we can see what our audience is specifically interested in and gives us a foundation on how to structure our weekly video. Let's take one more trip down roleplay lane. This time, let's imagine we have Hollywood's hottest podcast, where we chat about everything and anything happening in the entertainment world. We want to use Google Trends to uncover what's truly capturing the entertainment world's attention. We pinpoint trending topics from the buzz around the latest superhero theories to the comeback of 90s sitcoms, and even the drama behind the biggest pop star. And trust me, as a person role-playing a podcaster exploring all corners of entertainment, knowing what's spiking on Google Trends is crucial for creating content that resonates with its listeners and keeps the conversation going. That was fun to roleplay, but it's time to get back to who I really am, the host of this video. You can already see that the newly improved Google Trends Trending Now is more than just a list. It's your real-time intelligence tool for staying ahead of the content creation game. By leveraging its speed, localized insights, and contextual data, you can consistently create content that resonates and keeps you top of mind. So go explore, experiment, and stay ahead of the moment. Hey Brian, did you hear about that new jackpot winner?